Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the following command to install the necessary packages. Use the next command to download and execute the official code server installation script. Now use this command to enable and start the code server services immediately. By running the following command, we will check the current status of the code server services. Next, run the following command to config the file of the code server. Inside the configuration file, you need to change the auth method to the password, change the password, and bind address change to your server IP address. Finally, use the following command to restart the code server services. This applies all the configuration changes you made. Now go into your web browser, paste the password, and now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.